Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of one more designer blouse. This was the one of the best and beautiful collection from the Upada with the great color combination. It's been emphasized with the gold big booties on this body like this and kaddi border work with very rich and pallu, and for that I'd be having this plain blouse. You can see here it's the pure silk fabric, and for this blouse I'm gonna design it as the saree is looking very heavy. I'd be going with the small and simple designing. So without wasting time, let's quickly start with this designing. Firstly, I'd be highlighting the neckline. For that I'd be applying the broad line of glue and sticking the chain bow lace and the pearl lace. This is how we have to stick it, and this design is been carrying with the Zardosi along with the gold beads work. Hold the Zardosi strings at the ends like this and cut in very small size like this. This is how we have to cut equally all the strings of same size. And expanding the design, for that I'd be using designer rings of small size. This is how it looks. Firstly, I'll be applying the glue dots like this, one dot followed with 3 dots. This is the pattern. This is how completely neckline has to be designed with the dots first. Ensure to maintain equal gap of 1 centimeter gap here. Now on these glue dots I'll be sticking the designer rings which I have shown. These designer rings are available in different sizes and different shapes. All the materials which I have used for this designing are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links has given in the description box, please check it. Also using gold metallic beads of 1 mm size with the sugar beads of gold color. The complete design is been done with the golden work. Now I'll be giving an invisible stitches on this chain bow lace and pearl lace firstly like this, continuing the stitch on this designing. For that I'll be inserting the Zardosi string here in the leftover gap like this, and towards the sides I'll be inserting golden bead with the sugar bead both at a time, placing it slantingly. We have to give the stitch for the joining of these beads. So the center with the Zardosi string followed with the beads work. This is how the design will be carried, and at a time I'd be also giving the stitch on these designer rings also. It is really very simple designing, cost efficient and very less time. You can try this type of designing. So within the gaps the Zardosi work with the beads work has to be done. So like this, now I am trying on my own blouses so that you will get an idea, and you can also try it confidently, because the outcome which I am showing will really gives you confidence to convert your old blouses to convert into new designer blouses. Because recently I am getting so many requests to show the saree along with the blouse which I have converted, so that is why I am showing everything what I did. I am so happy to share this type of outcomes in front of you. So this is how I have done with the designing with the Zardosi and the beads work on the neckline. And here I am going with the contrasted color of green color, very small size circular kundans to fill in this designer rings. For that I would be applying the glue dots like this to stick the green color kundans, because contrasted colors will really highlight this pattern. Instead of these kundans, you can also try with the pearls or any types of rhinestone colors. Now on the leftover space on this blouse, I'd be applying the glue dots randomly like this. Here I'd be stitching with the golden bead along with the sugar bead. The same way I'll design it on the sleeves opening also to complete this pattern on the sleeves, and once completed, the neckline with the beautiful designing embellished with the golden beads and the Zardosi work. I'm liking this simple pattern because the saree with this simple work will really gives a rich look. Before designing on this blouse, this is how it looks, and now I've converted into designer blouse. Really friends, this pattern is so simple and yet stylish looking. It's not looking much heavy, but even though it will really gives rich and elegant look. I hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.